In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your ChatGPT conversation. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, I've got you covered with clear instructions so you can do this quickly and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, we'll tackle the desktop method. Start by opening your ChatGPT conversation in your browser. You have the option to select specific messages if there are parts of the conversation you want to highlight, or you can simply leave it as is with the entire chat. Once you're ready, press Ctrl+P if you're using a Windows computer, or CMD+P if you're on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut will bring up the print dialog box right away. Now, looking at the print dialog box, you'll see several options. The first thing you want to do is go to the destination or printer drop-down menu. From there, select Save as PDF. This choice allows you to save your conversation in a digital format that you can easily share or print later. You might also want to adjust some other settings like layout, margins, or background graphics based on your preferences. Once you've customized everything to your liking, click the Save button, choose where you'd like to store the PDF on your computer, and you're all set. Next, let's move on to the mobile method for iOS users. Open your ChatGPT conversation in Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. You'll want to tap on the Share button, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. From the menu that appears, select Print. This will bring up a print preview of your conversation. Now, here's a neat trick. Take two fingers and pinch outward on the print preview. This action transforms the preview into a PDF. After that, tap the Share button one more time, and you can choose to save the PDF to your Files app or even email it to yourself or others. Finally, we have the method for Android users. Start by opening ChatGPT in Chrome on your Android device. Tap on the three-dot menu icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Share, and then choose Print. When the print options appear, select Save as PDF as your printer. Next, look for the PDF icon, which will allow you to select a location to save your file. Choose your destination, hit Save, and your PDF will be securely stored on your device. And that's it. You've now learned how to print or save any ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, whether you're using a desktop, an iPhone, or an Android device. It's simple, it's fast, and now you're ready to share your conversations with anyone you choose. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.